Cool. What's up, guys? Welcome to another Sunday pre-market setup where we go over some pairs and plays we could potentially get into for the week. All right, just give me a couple of moments while I just share my screen and give out the link to the rest of the community so we can all get started. Have a wonderful week. All right. So 1 second while I just go ahead and do that real quick. What's up, guys? Welcome to another Sunday pre-market setup where we go over some pairs. What's up, guys? Welcome to another Sunday pre-market setup where we go over some pairs and plays. And we are live. All right, cool. So let's just get things rolling. Of course, if you have any plays or questions about any pair, just please comment it down in the comment section below. And obviously, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get this rolling. We're gonna start with my first pair up top, EURUSD. All right, so as you all know, we just came off a pretty nice end of the week from last week, Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. We actually did a nice big push up for potential buy setups for the week coming up. All right, so it's going to be a great week. Let me just hop on a 4 hour to see any potential buy zones. If you guys front run the week on EURUSD, you would have gotten over here. But if you guys didn't and you didn't have the knowledge to front run it at all, we can get to some day trades as we go on through the week. All right, so Sunday, 5 o'clock. It's kind of wicking right here. We should see, like on a 4 hour, it's kind of wicking on the bottom. On the hour, it's kind of wicking on top. So I'm just gonna do the hour. So hopefully, like me, I have a front run from here and here. So I do want a big push up from this middle right here. It is a resistance point. That is a support right now. So as the support is being held, I'm expecting a big push up. So now that what we gotta watch for is this 2,000 level. All right, so if I hop on a 4 hour, this 2,000 level is being, a great resistance right here. Actually, a great support right here that could potentially be a big resistance. All right, so that's us for buyers. If you're a buyer, you are being very cautious of this 2,000 level. If you're a seller, then you're actually eyeing this 2,000 level for a sell. All right, just be careful with strength and everything like that. But yeah, this 2,000 level is very, very important. So we actually need to breach this 2,000 level to actually, get back into, potential buy setup. So if you're not already in this mid level, I just advise you to wait for, the break of the 2,000 level for a cleaner entry and a safer entry. All right. No need to risk money. You don't really need to. All right. So you need a higher low on top of this 2,000 level and then carry it up to the next levels as we go up. All right, so we're gonna have a bunch of challenges going into the week because there's a lot of support and resistance that we just need to break through so we can actually, make decent high highs and high lows. So this 2,500 level is going to be very important. As you can see, major support, slash resistance right here as well. And as we get up to 2,100, there's also a major resistance right here. That's why I have it marked up. Okay. So with that being said, right, we do have a lot of challenges, but if you guys want to play it day by day, take your profit at each one of these challenges and just wait for that breakup and then come down for a higher low, you can do that as well. Or if you're really confident in your buys and really confident in USD being weak for the week coming up and for the rest of the month, then you could probably just hold your first trades and then try to actually hold them forever, at least to the 1.2200 level right here. As you can see, it is a monthly bottom. I don't think I remember doing that. I think that was a while ago, so let me just delete this. But it is a resistance. It is a strong resistance. As you can see here, kind of intertwined, but still a resistance at that point. And then, once we get to that 2,500 level, that's a big resistance, actually with 2 times on a 4 hour time frame. So you know how strong that is. To high time frame, the stronger resistance, is going to pull it down one way or another. All right. So my target basically for, the week coming up is probably going to be that top of 22100. I'm in 2200, and this mid level right here of 2255, 22500. All right. So as you can see, wicks over here, and then it is near the 2000 level. So that's where I want to put my TP for the week. So it's probably going to be a good 500 pips, I think. 300 pips. So 250 pips, between 250 pips and 300 pips is my target for the week. All right. So if it does breaches this before the week even ends, probably gonna head up to that top of right here. I'm just gonna dumb it down to 2,300, just because I see a lot of resistance right here, and also it's not. I mean, this is a mid level as well, but I don't like the mid levels as my TP. I like my major levels as my TP. Just a personal preference for myself, and plus I see a lot of resistance right here, so it would have to get through that resistance. It would have to get through that resistance. Normally just to get to that 2, 3, 500 level. So I'm just gonna, take my profit from there. And worst comes to worst, it goes up 50 pips more. Who cares? You know what I mean? If it does go up 50 pips more, I'm gonna eye it at 2,400 level, and then just to continue up the trend. All right. But yeah, that's enough for EURUSD, I think. It's pretty simple. It's nothing hard to it. But for sellers, if you guys do want to sell this, um, you're actually waiting for this 2000 level to hit. So you're waiting for something like this. Since we are uptrending, you need a double top to stop the higher highs, lower low, lower high, roll reversal right there, and then continue that going back down. So you're gonna have less challenges going back down, because overall, yes, the trend is actually bearish, but the price is starting to be bullish again. So, you still have to wait for that extra step, but however, you still kind of have the advantage because you have less challenges going back down. All right. But yeah, that's enough for EURUSD. I'm gonna hop on to GBPUSD. Does anybody have any questions with this pair? I'm just gonna check real quick. All right, cool. So GBPUSD on a 4-hour time frame. Oh. All right, 4-hour time frame, GBPUSD. So we did have a really, really nice week with GBPUSD. It did come off a 100 pip drop for the end of the week. However, that's just give us another chance to actually enter at a decent low price. All right. So the low price I'm actually eyeing is 3,900. Excuse me. 3,900 is actually above the major level as we speak. Okay, so that's pretty good, above support, which is good. So I'm expecting, a come up from that when when the market does open at 5 p.m. Okay, so I'm a higher low right there, broke resistance. And I wouldn't buy this mid level right here because it's second this great resistance right here. So what you really need to do is wait for that 4,000 level to be broken. If you're not already in this trade for 3,900 and it doesn't give you enough wicks for you to actually get into trade before actually after 5, then just wait for that 4,000 level to be broken. All right. So once it's broken, actually, am I in this trade? Give me 1 second. Let me just make sure I'm in this trade. I hope I am. I would have entered right there. I'm not in it. So I gotta wait. It's all good. Just wait for that 4,000 level to be broken. Just for lower risks. All right. Yeah. How did I miss that? What? That's nuts. Anyways, sorry guys. I'm just surprised I missed that right there. I thought I got in. I have it marked up in everything. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right. Anyways, yeah. So once the market opens, I'm probably gonna try to get a entry right here, but nothing too aggressive because it is the first touch. It is the market open, so I'm really not expecting it to actually go up 100 pips right away or anything. So it's either I'm gonna wait for this resistance right here. I mean support right here to become support. A wick right here, and then continue it to 4,000. So once 4,000 is being broken, probably gonna be more aggressive and try to get into a nice entry right there at the 4,000 level. And then hop on the 4-hour. My target probably would be, oh yeah, 4,200 most definitely. Either 4,000, like this little zone right here, and I'll tell you the reason why. So this little zone right here is probably going to be my TP for the week, 4,100, because I see support right here that could potentially be resistance, and 4,200 that could potentially be resistance as well. So this is the higher resistance, lower resistance. So I'm gonna probably take my profit around there. If it breaks those resistance, I'm probably gonna get into another entry. So that's how you just keep upping your lot size, upping your score. All right. So that would be like about another 300 pips, which is 5. So 300, 300, EU, GU, 600 pips right there. Easy money. All right. With that being said, I'm gonna probably move on to the next pair, GBPJPY. If you guys don't have any questions, but the general idea is getting an entry maybe early as 3,900, or the second opportunity, which is 4,000, and then just move it up until it gets to 4,200, which I see the most resistance at. All right. Once it passes 4,200, then it's pretty much a free for all for buyers because we're chilling, we're making high highs, high lows. Just broke the market high, so we're very, very bullish on every aspect of the chart. Price is bullish, the market is bullish, and we can continue doing high highs and high lows as we go up to the chart. All right, maybe if I hop on a daily to see greater resistance, let's see what's up. Yep, no, too far. All right. It's all good. Now, GBPJPY, very, 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 very elevated. All right. So it's pretty difficult to enter GBPJPY since it's very elevated like this. However, it is still possible. All right. So if you guys are not already in this trade from here with these 2 wicks, don't worry. You can probably get 151, 500 to actually get an entry right there. But the real entry, like the safest entry, and actually is a better idea anyways, is attacking that 152 level, breaking that 52 level, and then coming down. Now, I advise you guys, I have this exit for a bottom off of pivot points. So you gotta be worried about that. But if you are still in this trade, high, low will be fire, and then continue it up to 153. If it does break 153, then we're golden. Okay. So the way you trade this actually, like when it's hard to catch high highs and high lows, hop on a 4-hour time frame and use your 21 EMA, like I set up for you guys. If you guys took 1v1s with me, use your 21 EMA, and as you can see, there's a confluence. It's a moving support, basically, moving support and resistance. So it's just basically for trades that are sloping up pretty fast, and it's not making clear high highs or high lows, but it's still going up in the channel. All right. So this is one of the tools you could use. The 4-hour 21 hits off the 21, and then it bounced it up right now. Hits off the 21, goes up. Okay. Hits off the 21. Hits off the 21, goes up. So things like this, when it's sloping up, is use a 4-hour 21 and to continue that, aggressive entries for buys. All right. Just be very, very mindful that it could fall at any time because it is out of position, right? It's not like really making high highs, high lows. So you just have to, be very cautious with your trades. All right. But nonetheless, this is a good way to trade, trends like this. All right. So that's for GBPJPY, and then NZDJPY, probably my last one. Okay. So NZDJPY, 7,800 is actually a key level that you guys want to actually get into buys at if you guys weren't already in it prior to the week ended. All right. If not, if it doesn't go back down there, resistance right here, simple, high, high, low, continue it up. So let's just back out a little bit to see our take profit. Probably 7,900. If it does break 7,900, we're going to, I don't even know because it's going to be hard to tell. I probably got to take on pivot points for that one. But yeah, 7,900 is actually the top. And then, I have 80 as a flat number as well for a major level. And then as it keeps making high highs and high lows, we should be able to get into more trades at that point. All right. So just watch out for those trades. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this one, guys. If you guys have any more questions or any questions, I'm probably going to hop off this. If you have any questions, during your trading, please let me know. And then I'll probably help you out. I would definitely help you out. What am I saying? And yeah. Catch some pips today, guys. Tomorrow, this week, You know, be patient, be vigilant, and just pay attention to every little thing. All right, just be smart with everything. All right. So I'm always in the app. Just please hit me up if you have any problems, any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. All right. Have a good week, guys. Be safe.